Let's dive right in. To find the Docker SSO in Okta, you simply log into your account, search for Docker SSO in the catalog, locate the tile, and access the application. It's that simple. This is the first step in ensuring seamless integration. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow steps. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Welcome to the world of Docker SSO in Okta. Docker makes container management a breeze, while SSO ensures secure and unified login. Okta integrates beautifully with Docker SSO to boost efficiency. Together, they create a match made in tech heaven. Let's explore how they work hand in hand. Why choose Docker SSO in Okta? Because it's a game changer. It boosts security with centralized authentication and simplifies management of user credentials. Plus, you'll enjoy friction-free workflows and improved productivity. All that convenience wrapped up in one package. Before we roll up our sleeves, make sure you have the essentials ready. You'll need admin access to your Okta account, a running Docker instance, some familiarity with SAML, and the necessary configuration files. Once equipped, you'll be ready to configure like a pro. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Okta admin account and heading to the dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the tools available. This step ensures you're prepped and ready for the upcoming configuration journey. Next, stop the Applications tab. From here, browse your existing apps and prepare to add Docker as a new one. Double-check that you have the necessary permissions to proceed. Easy, right? It's time to add Docker as an application in Okta. Click on Add Application, search for Docker in the catalog, and select it from the results. Confirm your choice and move forward with the setup. You're making great progress. Now comes the fun part, configuring SAML settings. Locate the configuration section, enter all required details meticulously, and double-check for accuracy. Once satisfied, save your changes. It's like solving a puzzle, but with a rewarding outcome. Metadata time. Head to the Okta settings and locate the metadata file. Download it, verify its contents, and keep it safe. It's crucial for configuring Docker. Handle it like a secret recipe. The final step, integrating Docker with Okta metadata. Upload the metadata file into Docker settings and complete the process. Once done, test the SSO functionality to ensure it's working perfectly. Congrats, you're now a Docker Okta integration master. Alright folks, now that we've set up SSO, it's time to make sure it actually works. We'll start by testing credentials, because nothing's worse than a user stuck at login. Next, we check session persistence. No one enjoys getting logged out randomly. We test different roles, admins, users, the unsuspecting intern, just to be sure. Finally, let's dive into logs because, let's face it, debugging without them is like trying to solve a puzzle blindfolded. Troubleshooting, the phase where we pretend to stay calm while frantically Googling solutions. First, authentication failures. When SSO stubbornly refuses to let users in. Then user role mix-ups, because Jane from HR shouldn't suddenly have admin access. Misconfigured identity settings. A common culprit. And expired security tokens. Well, they have a mind of their own. But don't worry, we'll tackle these problems like seasoned IT warriors. Let's talk best practices. The unsung heroes of a smooth-running SSO setup. Security policies. We need them airtight. Auditing access controls. If done right, it prevents future headaches. Monitoring logs. The secret to catching problems before users start complaining. And onboarding users properly. Because nothing's worse than explaining SSO to someone for the 5th time. Stick to these, and you'll be the SSO wizard everyone relies on. Security, where we lock things down and hope hackers stay away. First up, multi-factor authentication. It's the digital equivalent of a security guard. Next, strong passwords. Because password 123 is just asking for trouble. Regular updates. Yes, because outdated containers are practically an invitation for breaches. And monitoring unusual access. Because if someone logs in from Antarctica, that might be worth checking out. Real-world applications where theory meets practice. Microservices. SSO ensures they talk to each other without headaches. Enterprise security. SSO keeps it solid. User access management. It's about getting the right people in and keeping the wrong ones out. And for developers, no more password resets at midnight. All in all, Docker SSO with Okta is the secret ingredient for efficiency. And that's a wrap. Docker SSO with Okta simplifies authentication, making life easier for everyone. It boosts security, keeping your data safe from the bad guys. Developers save time, and users avoid login frustration. Lastly, centralized identity management means fewer headaches and more productivity. Stick to this approach, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.